Hey there, how's it going? I've got an exciting work-from-home gig for you today, a data entry job that's open to everyone, guys and gals alike. So, what's the deal? You'll be doing some copy typing and turning PDFs into Word docs. Fresh opportunity alert, the post is only 24 minutes old, and the best part is, you can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. Plus, it won't eat up all your time. It's an intermediate level job, and you can earn $15 to $30 per hour, depending on your skills. It's a remote job, a one-time project. The skills required for data entry include typing and Microsoft skills. Check out another data entry job below. This job involves Excel, export data from images. It's a one-time project. It's an intermediate level job, and you can earn according to per project base. It's a remote job, so you can do it from anywhere in the world. This is a one-time project, and the client is from the UK. The job was posted 37 minutes ago, and besides this one, there are delayed jobs. There are 954 entry-level jobs, 1519 intermediate-level jobs, and 608 expert-level jobs available. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can do these data entry jobs and work from home. Whether you're a man or a woman, all you need is your internet connection, laptop, and the willingness to work. Alright, let's dive into the skills you'll need for this gig. Now, when we talk data entry, it's not just about punching keys on a sheet, it's like 90% living in the world of Microsoft Excel. It's not as complicated as it might sound, trust me. Take a peek inside your laptop, it's like a treasure chest of possibilities. Seriously, look at all those options waiting to be explored. Now, you might be wondering, what do I even do with all these buttons? No worries, I've got your back. I'm gonna walk you through each one, so you'll be a spreadsheet wizard in no time. Let's do this. First you'll need to learn skills, friends. If you learn the skills, only then can you earn money through this. Many people are told about freelancing platforms, but when they go there, they don't get work because they lack skills. They don't know how to do data entry in Excel properly, and they don't have the required certificate. We'll solve this problem first, and then we'll move on to the next step. If you want to go ahead, you need to have skills and a degree. Based on that, you get an entry-level job. So, first, what will we do? We will learn these skills. We'll learn the skill of data entry, and I'll teach you that as well. So, friends, you need to go directly to this website. I've provided the URL for this website in the video's description. If you go through it, you can join its free courses. Alright, but still, some people don't know how to sign up, how to join the free courses. Here, we need to join the Excel free course, and I'll also tell you how to get the certificate. I'm showing you how to click on Simple and Simple Learn for free. Here, a window opens with Google Sign Up. It opens in a completely new way. Starting from the basic level, I'm guiding you through it. To create an account, this window will open in front of you. Here, you need to select your experience level. It's just a formality. You can select college student, for example. Look, I've selected college student. Once you do that, this window will open, where you can enter your account details. Your account is ready, and a password has been sent to your email address along with a username. In the future, when you log in, check your email for your account details. Now, we are going to take a beginner's course in Excel, which will help us in our data entry work. To search for it, you need to go to the search bar and type Excel for Beginners, just as I wrote here. Look, Excel for Beginners has appeared in front of you. Simply click on it. As you click on it, you'll see Enroll for Free. Look, all the details are outlined here. Simple and simple. Click on Enroll for Free. Clicking on Enroll for Free will open this window for Enroll for Free. As I clicked on Enroll for Free, this window appeared in front of me. Go to the course by clicking on Go to Course. As I clicked on Go to Course, the next window opened. Here, you can see this window has opened. Alright, some people were confused here about what to fill in. Look, again, I'm telling you, this is formality. You need to fill in this formality for your course to start. Here, you can see, whether currently or college student, whatever applies to you. I selected Start initially. Look, here you need to enter when your graduation will be completed. I've written 2024. Write your area of interest, for example, I wrote Data Science. Good, click on the Submit button. Just this much work. Look, it says Successfully Submitted, and you can close this. Now, your course has started. You need to watch videos for all these courses. When you watch all the course videos, you'll know everything about Excel, how to work within it, sorting data, filtering, sorting date and time-wise data, etc. Everything is explained in these videos. Here, you'll take a quiz. If you pass the quiz, your next level will start, where everything related to data is explained. You'll have a quiz here, and when you complete it, you'll click on Claim Your Certificate. After completing the last quiz, which is worth about 10 marks, click on Claim Your Certificate. As soon as you complete it, click on Claim Your Certificate, and you'll be able to download your certificate properly. Yes, friends, once you complete all these things, you'll receive a proper certificate for free. You can add this certificate to your profile and use it to grab online jobs easily. After this, you can apply for jobs. There's another course that I recommend you complete. Let's go back to the main window, and I'll tell you about another course. This course will enable you to automate your data entry tasks. Search for Excel for ChatGPT in the search bar. You must complete this course as well. When you click on Excel for ChatGPT, you'll see a window open. Look, 25,000 people are learning this course. In this course, all the work will be automated. After learning to convert Excel to PDF, completing all the tasks, you'll receive a certificate. You can add this certificate to your CV and profile. If you are freelancing, you can upload your certificate, increasing your chances of getting jobs from 1% to 100%. So, learn the skills properly first, and then you'll be able to secure a job. Again, let me explain. Look, you might not find work on the first day, or even on the second day. Even if you have a degree, it doesn't guarantee an instant job. It might take several months before you secure a job. This delay is normal, whether you are engaged in physical business or freelancing. So, if you've learned the skills and are on a freelancing platform, don't get disheartened if it takes some time. Competition is part of the game. You'll definitely find a job, get tasks, and start earning. Let me give you a live example. Now, navigate directly to the work section. Inside the work section, keep it simple. Here, I wrote data entry, clicked on jobs, and you can see a list of available jobs related to data entry. You can filter based on Excel or any specific category you're interested in. Here, I've written Excel related jobs. Similarly, if you're adept at Excel, you can explore jobs related to that. I'm emphasizing that once you've learned administrative work, copying, pasting, Excel-related tasks, lead generation, and other related skills, you can navigate through the available jobs and apply to those that match your expertise. This is open to both men and women, and you can see the potential of data entry work. Check out this profile, scroll down to see more examples. These success stories showcase the earning potential in data entry work. Both men and women can apply for jobs in these categories. However, it's crucial that you possess the skills. Learn the skills properly, polish them, and once you have the skills, you'll definitely find work. Remember, work might take some time initially, but it will come. As you can see below, there is a queue of talent waiting for data entry work, and they are making money through this platform. There are numerous people who might not know how to work on freelance platforms, and I've created detailed videos explaining everything, from creating an account to applying for any job. All these details are covered in the videos. Jobs are posted on this platform every 5 to 10 minutes, providing ample opportunities for work. If you're interested in data entry jobs, I'll bring an alternative in the next video or soon after that. But, it's important that there's interest from your side. That concludes today's video. I hope you found it helpful, learned something valuable, and gained insights into online earning opportunities. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos.